Welcome to Quick Book Bites. Are you ready to transform your financial knowledge and investment strategies? Today, we're diving into a treasure trove of financial wisdom with insights from 10 groundbreaking books. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these books will equip you with the tools you need to succeed. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have a wealth of knowledge to take your financial gain to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful book summaries. First up, we have Die Financial Advisor by Wesley Gray. This book empowers you to take control of your investments by providing a step-by-step guide to creating your own investment strategy. Gray emphasizes the importance of evidence-based decision-making and offers practical tools to help you navigate the financial markets. The book is structured around the idea that individual investors can achieve better results by following a disciplined, rules-based approach rather than relying on financial advisors who may have conflicts of interest. Gray delves into the principles of quantitative investing, providing readers with a framework to develop their own investment models. He also discusses the psychological biases that can affect investment decisions and how to overcome them. By the end of this book, you'll have a solid foundation to build and manage your own investment portfolio. Next, Investing in the Second Lost Decade by Martin G. Pring explores the challenges and opportunities in a low-growth economic environment. Pring provides valuable insights into market cycles and offers strategies to protect and grow your wealth during uncertain times. He argues that the economic conditions we face today are similar to those of the 1930s and 1970s, periods characterized by low growth and high volatility. Pring emphasizes the importance of understanding long-term economic trends and adapting your investment strategy accordingly. He provides practical advice on asset allocation, market timing, and risk management, helping investors navigate the complexities of a challenging economic landscape. This book is a must-read for anyone looking to safeguard their investments and capitalize on opportunities in a low-growth world. The Myth of the Rational Market by Justin Fox takes us on a historical journey through the evolution of financial theories. Fox debunks the idea that markets are always rational and highlights the human factors that influence market behavior. He traces the development of financial theories from the early 20th century to the present day, examining the contributions of key figures such as John Maynard Keynes, Eugene Fama, and Robert Shiller. Fox argues that the efficient market hypothesis, which posits that markets are always rational and reflect all available information, is fundamentally flawed. He explores the psychological and behavioral factors that can lead to market inefficiencies, such as overconfidence, herd behavior, and cognitive biases. By understanding these factors, investors can make more informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. This book is a fascinating exploration of the intersection between finance and psychology, offering valuable insights for anyone interested in the workings of financial markets. In Capital Returns, Edward Chancellor compiles essays from Marathon Asset Management, offering a unique perspective on capital allocation and investment strategies. This book emphasizes the importance of understanding the capital cycle and its impact on investment returns. The capital cycle refers to the process by which capital flows into and out of industries, affecting supply, demand, and profitability. Chancellor and his colleagues argue that by understanding the capital cycle, investors can identify opportunities and avoid pitfalls. The book provides case studies and examples from various industries, illustrating how capital allocation decisions can influence long-term returns. It also discusses the role of management in capital allocation and the importance of aligning management incentives with shareholder interests. Capital Returns is a valuable resource for investors looking to deepen their understanding of capital allocation and improve their investment decision-making. Investment Biker by Jim Rogers is an adventurous tale of Rogers' journey around the world on a motorcycle, exploring global markets and investment opportunities. His first-hand experiences provide valuable lessons on the interconnectedness of global economies. Rogers shares his insights on the economic and political conditions of the countries he visits, offering a unique perspective on global investing. He discusses the importance of understanding local cultures, economies, and markets when making investment decisions. Rogers also highlights the opportunities and risks associated with investing in emerging markets, emphasizing the need for thorough research and due diligence. Investment Biker is not only an engaging travelogue but also a valuable guide for investors looking to expand their horizons and explore global investment opportunities. Howard Schilit's Financial Shenanigans is a must-read for anyone looking to understand the tricks companies use to manipulate financial statements. Schilit provides tools to detect and avoid these deceptive practices, helping you make more informed investment decisions. The book covers a wide range of accounting shenanigans, from revenue recognition and expense manipulation to off-balance sheet transactions and earnings management. Schilit explains how these practices can distort a company's financial health and mislead investors. He provides real-world examples and case studies, illustrating how to identify red flags and protect yourself from fraudulent financial reporting. Financial Shenanigans is an essential resource for investors, analysts, and anyone interested in understanding the true financial condition of a company. Invest Like a Guru by Charlie Tian offers insights into the investment strategies of some of the world's most successful investors. Tian breaks down complex concepts into actionable steps, making it easier for you to apply these principles to your own investments. The book covers the investment philosophies and techniques of legendary investors such as Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, and Benjamin Graham. Tian explains how these investors identify undervalued stocks, assess company fundamentals, and manage risk. He also discusses the importance of patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective in achieving investment success. Invest Like a Guru provides practical advice and tools for investors looking to emulate the strategies of the greats and achieve superior returns. In Global Value, Faber explores the benefits of value investing on a global scale. Faber provides a comprehensive guide to identifying undervalued markets and constructing a diversified portfolio. He argues that value investing, which involves buying assets that are undervalued relative to their intrinsic worth, can generate superior returns over the long term. Faber discusses various valuation metrics and techniques for identifying undervalued markets, such as price-to-earnings ratios, dividend yields, and book values. He also emphasizes the importance of diversification and risk management in building a global value portfolio. Global Value is a valuable resource for investors looking to apply value investing principles to international markets and achieve long-term success. Capital Allocation by David R. Harper delves into the critical role of capital allocation in business success. Harper provides a framework for evaluating how companies allocate their resources and the impact on long-term value creation. The book covers various aspects of capital allocation, including investment in growth opportunities, mergers and acquisitions, share buybacks, and dividend policies. Harper argues that effective capital allocation is essential for maximizing shareholder value and achieving sustainable growth. He provides case studies and examples from successful companies, illustrating how strategic capital allocation decisions can drive long-term performance. Capital allocation is a must-read for investors, managers, and anyone interested in understanding the drivers of business success. Finally, The Little Book of Behavioral Investing by James Montier explores the psychological factors that influence investment decisions. Montier offers practical advice on how to avoid common behavioral pitfalls and make more rational investment choices. The book covers a wide range of behavioral biases, such as overconfidence, loss aversion, and herd behavior, that can affect investment decisions. Montier explains how these biases can lead to suboptimal outcomes and provides strategies for mitigating their impact. He also discusses the importance of maintaining a disciplined, long-term approach to investing and avoiding emotional reactions to market fluctuations. The Little Book of Behavioral Investing is a valuable guide for investors looking to improve their decision-making and achieve better investment results. There you have it. 10 incredible books that will transform your approach to investing and financial management. Which book are you most excited to read? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quick Book Bites for more book summaries and financial insights. See you in the next video.